Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my first impression and also what fits inside my Louis Vuitton can bag. So if you're interested in this video, please keep on watching. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Em and this is ThatsLuxe. If you haven't subscribed and you'd love to do so, please click the red subscribe button down below and also hit the bell notification button so you can be notified of when I upload new videos. Also, if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, please do so. My handle is ThatsLuxeGirl. Also hashtag ThatsLuxeGirl so you can be tagged. Also to share in our ThatsLuxeGirl community of all the other luxury things that you'd love to share with us. So guys, I just finished filming my unboxing of this lovely bag right here. And if you haven't seen that unboxing, I will leave it linked down below. But today I'm going to be discussing my first thoughts and my first impressions regarding this bag. Also the ease of wearing it and what fits inside. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. Alright you guys, this is an overview of the bag. I will link the unboxing below as what I said earlier. So this bag features the Louis Vuitton reverse monogram canvas, as you can see, and it is a very cylindrical bag. It does feature leather in the back as well, some leather paneling here, leather trimming around the zipper, a leather pull tab for the Louis Vuitton made in stamp that's outside, also a black trimming all around the bag and as well as the handles. The top of the bag has the regular monogram canvas, as you can see. The detail of this bag is actually very beautiful. The rivets on the side that holds the detachable strap has Louis Vuitton engraved on the sides. Mine still has the sticker because I haven't touched it or removed it because not planning on it, guys. Not planning on it, okay? And this is what it looks like on the other side. This is what the lock looks like. It is removable. As what I said on my unboxing, it is a very slender looking lock that's comparable to the Speedy lock, and it has a different Louis Vuitton logo there. And this is what the back of the lock looks like. Also, this is what the zipper pull looks like. This one can go inside the hole and then you could lock it from there when the lock is not attached from the bag. This bag also features 4 feet that has Louis Vuitton engraved on all the little rivets right there. This is what the pull tab consists of. It says Louis Vuitton Paris with 2 gold rivets right here that also says Louis Vuitton. So the date code could be found under this pull tab. It says CA0139. That means that this was made the 3rd week of 2019, which is the 3rd week of January. Interiorly, this features 1 zipper closure, and this just has the microfiber lining. I mentioned during my unboxing that the made in stamp inside is crooked, but this particular piece was made in Spain. This is what the interior looks like. It's just one big hole right there. There's no divisions or separations on the inside of the bag. This bag, I realized that there's a little bit of white things on the bottom of my bag. I don't know if it was part of the bag or because I used it already that I spilled something or whatnot, but nonetheless, it's still a pretty amazing bag. It also comes with the care booklet, and this is what the SKU of the bag is. If you guys are interested, it says CANNES NV monogram reverse, and that is what the SKU number is. It also says the textile card right here. This bag also features a detachable adjustable strap, and this is a black leather strap, and you could adjust it. It comes with 5 different holes, and this is just what it looks like. The end clasp of the bag is this lobster claw right here, and it just says Louis Vuitton or just an LV insignia right here on the sides. and it does swivel, so that's pretty good. I also mentioned that this bag comes with lock, and the keys come in this little pouch. You could remove the lock for the purpose of this video. I will leave it on. So this is just what it looks like. So for size and height reference, I am 5'4", and this is what the bag looks like on me. And this is on the third hole from the top of the bag. And it sits outwards this way because it is a cylindrical bag, but because this part of the bag is flat, this remains flat, flush towards your body, and that's just what it looks like. You could also hold the bag this way, or a top handle, or you could shorten the strap and you can make it as a side bag right here. So I wanted to share with you guys my first impression of the bag. My very first impression of the bag when I first got it, it was super adorable. I was influenced by Hey June with this bag. This bag was actually purchased by my mom when she went to Europe, and when she came back, she gave me the bag. But the problem was the back of the bag, the original bag that she got me, was wrinkled right here. So I took it to my Louis Vuitton here at Somerset Mall, and they actually ordered this bag for me, particularly for an exchange, because the original bag that my mom got me was damaged, so they exchanged it for this bag. But when I first received this bag, I just inspected the outside of the bag, and I didn't see the interior of the bag because I was in a hurry at that time. But so far, exteriorly, when I inspected the bag, it was fine. But I did use this bag already a few different times. That's why I wanted to share a first impression with you guys, if you guys are interested on purchasing this bag. Firstly, what I did notice is if you are using this bag top handle, it is very difficult to hold the bag and then retrieve your things, because obviously you're holding on to it and it's not very stable. But if you are using it crossbody, or if you're using it with the strap, it's not a problem for you to access the bag, because there is something that's holding the bag and making it stable for you to open up the opening right here. Also, another thing that I noticed is the back of the bag has some fraying from the thread. I don't know if you could see, but the thread of the bag is fraying right here. I don't know if that's normal. I've only worn it a few days and it's already doing that. I'm a little bit worried. If you could see, there's a little bit fraying here on the sides of the bag as well. Right there. I don't know if I'm crazy. And then there's like glue residue here. And then I also noticed that over time, this side right here, it's gonna crease and it's gonna just look nasty. It's just a normal wear and tear of the bag. If you don't mind it, then it's fine. Right now, I'm not very concerned about the threading, fraying, or the creasing and whatnot, because I've only worn it a few days and I don't want to keep exchanging it, because one, I want to use the bag and I don't want to wait longer than I need to buy it, or actually to use it. And also, if anything is going to happen to this bag, or if there's a recall, I want to be able to wear it a little bit more, and if there's more wear on it and then I get a new bag, at least it's going to be worth it. I wanted to show you guys what also fits inside the bag. The thing that I love most about this bag is it fits a ton. It looks very cute and dainty, but just like my Palm Springs mini backpack, it is very deceiving. So let's go ahead and show you what can fit inside. So I have here my toiletry 15. I think this is the 15. This is the smallest toiletry, and it does fit inside perfectly like so. I will be switching out from my Palm Springs mini backpack, so I'll just be grabbing things from here and transferring it to my can bag. I'll also be transferring over my coin purse. I will be transferring over my iPhone XS Plus. I think that's what it is. I think this is the XS Plus. The biggest, mostly just iPhone. I don't know what the name is, but it fits perfectly upright as well. My Chanel zip coin purse. It also can carry my husband's Louis Vuitton bifold wallet with the little coin slot inside. I don't know what it's called, but this is the graphite. So if you guys can see, there's still plenty of room in here. My Apple AirPods. This is gonna be my car key, and it just has my Louis Vuitton luggage tag, and this is my car key. A bunch of little receipts, and also a little baggie that I got from my lash lady. It's gonna be fitting perfectly in here. So it looks like it's overflowing, but let me close this bag. So it fit all that, no problem. It's not bulging, it's not deformed. It's actually laying pretty amazingly. And it does have a little bit of weight to it, but obviously I stuffed this bag full. So that is what fits inside. So another thing that I wanted to bring up to you guys was strap options. If you have the monogram strap, I got mine from a Pochette Métis. Also, if you have the Eden PM, or if you just have the monogram strap, just a separate accessory, it would be a great alternative for this strap because it does have the monogram print right here, and I think it's going to be super cute to alternate the straps for this bag. I just wanted to share that quick tip with you guys. So that is it for my first impression and what fits inside the bag. My first initial thoughts is, if you're looking for this bag, I hope that you don't baby it. Like the back of the bag, the leather part can get wrinkly and scratched easily because it is kind of that material that can scratch easily. But this bag is very durable. I took this bag to travel with me to Texas for my cousin's wedding, and I was kind of worried of it deforming because I stuffed it inside my Longchamp bag along with my two other bags, but nothing has happened to it, thank goodness. And also, it's very durable. I like the fact that it is a different shape. I actually got a few compliments when I was using this bag, and I was kind of happy with that because it's been a while since I got a compliment on a Louis Vuitton bag. And honestly, it's been a while since I've fallen in love with any Louis Vuitton pieces, so this was one of them, and I'm glad that I actually picked it up. So that is that, you guys. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or concerns regarding this piece, please leave them in the comment section below. I would love to chat with you guys. And that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your time. And to all my new subscribers, thank you guys for subscribing. Welcome to my channel and to the ThatsLuxe family. And I shall see you all very soon. Thank you. As always, I appreciate each and every single one of you. Namaste. Bye.